Hello everyone, welcome to TechPesta. In this video, I am going to show you how to create the GIF animation using Microsoft PowerPoint. Making GIF animation is not an easy process. If you would like to make creative animation, then you have to know about some software skills like Photoshop or some other graphic design tool. But everyone easy to create the GIF animation by using Microsoft PowerPoint. This video shows how to create the GIF animation using PowerPoint. Open the PowerPoint presentation. In this PowerPoint presentation, I would like to add some text effect and some character animation effects. And finally, I would like to export a GIF animation image. First of all, I would like to change the background, so I have to go to design. Here, there are a lot of design available. I have to choose this. Then I will make the animation for the text. Select the text and go to animation tab. Here I have to select the fly-in effect. There is a many animation effect. I am choosing the fly-in. And the second text also I would like to add the animation. So the same animation effect I have added. Then you have to click on the animation pan. It will be open the animation pan. Here you have to select the both and right click and select the start after previous. This means it's automatically start once the animation complete for the first text. By default, if it is click the mouse, then only it will be moved. Now I make it in the automate process. Next I would like to add some character. Go to insert. Here I have to click on the icons. Then I have to select the stickers. Here a lot of stickers available based on the category. Then I have to choose the meow category. Then choose the some character. Then click on the insert. It will be inserted into the PowerPoint presentation. Then I would like to again add one more character. Then again go to insert and click on the icons. Then click on the stickers. Then I would like to include the one more character. It's perfectly set for the presentation. So now I would like to make the animation for the two characters. First I have to choose this and click on the animation. Then I have to select the bounce animation. Then select the layer in the animation pan and right click and click on the start after previous. Then it will be moved for the third animation. Fourth animation I have to select the character. Then click on the fly in. Again I have to select the layer and make it the start after previous. Now we have to check the animation effect. So I have to select the all layer and click on the place selected. Fine, but I have to change some animation effect for the text. The position I have to change from top. Then I have to select the second animation, right click and select the effect option. The animation text needs to be changed for the by letter. Now we have to check it out the animation effect. Click on the F5 button to start the presentation. Now the animation effect perfectly for this presentation. Then I have to make the GIF animation. So first I have to go to transitions. First you have to uncheck for the on mouse click. Then you have to select the after. Then make it the 10 seconds. This animation will be looping after 10 seconds. If it is a 0 second, it will be looping for immediately. So we have to once completed the animation, wait for 10 seconds, then it will be loop for the animation. Now I am going to make the GIF image. So go to file, click on the save as. Here I have to choose the animation GIF format. Add the file name and click to save. Now the GIF animation image has been exported. So now we have to check it out the image. Go to the desktop and select the created GIF animation file and right click. Go to open with, then click on the Google Chrome browser. The animation effect will be work only for the browsers. So in this way you can add the more creative to create the GIF animation image by using Microsoft PowerPoint. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to more informative video, subscribe this channel. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.